For decades, dry bulk storage operators across the country have relied on wooden dome structures to protect critical materials like salt. But time, moisture, and heavy use eventually take their toll. At World Domes, we're known for building state-of-the-art concrete storage domes. But true dome expertise isn't just about building new. It's about understanding how structures carry load, age, and adapt. In Detroit, Michigan, we were brought in to restore an existing wood salt storage dome, not tear it down. This 151-foot diameter structure, standing 70 feet tall on a 12-foot concrete foundation, remains fully operational with truck fill and front-end loader reclaim. Our scope focused on extending life. That meant detailed structural inspections, targeted frame repair and reinforcement, joist correction and replacement, moisture mitigation, and retrofitting the dome to meet current load and reclaim demands. The result? A restored wood dome designed to work with modern operations, maintaining capacity, improving reliability, and avoiding the cost and downtime of new construction. Completed in 2025, this project proves that smart engineering can preserve what works while strengthening what matters.